So welcome all. In this video, I will show you how to create a LDAP server and a connection using Apache Directory Studio in local system. So for that, first you need to install Apache Directory Studio from their visual browser. So just download it and install Apache Directory Studio in your local system. Then there are only 2 3 steps to create a server and the connection. So the first thing is you can see here this window we have LDAP server and connection. So we have two things here. So first let's create LDAP server. So for that you can see there is a icon plus icon with a server hub. So just click on it, new server, then go for Apache one. Let's name it as LDAP, finish. So now the server is created, like you need to start it. So let's double click on this, we'll get the configuration. Parallelly, let's start this. Means here we have a config.ld file, like if you want to create a new OU and all, you can do it under partition. So you can add a new, if you want you can add new DN. So just for an example, you can say if you want to add just for example I can say like new OU will be you can create a new root domain. So the server is started. So you can go to a connection, reload schema. Let me click on this. Here is the default one. You can see there will be example OU. It's a default one. Then we have config and system. Under system you will be having users, admin, means by default admin account will be created, and with that administrator group as well. So what we can do is we can add users to users OU. We have system OU, config OU, schema OU, and example one is a default one. So here if you want to add a new user, means before that, like first step is to create the server. Under server window, just create it, start the server. Means if you have made any changes on the partition, you can do that, save it and restart the server. Then under connection, double click on this, connection will be built. Then we'll have all the OUs. So, and if you want to add users and groups, just right click, new entry, create entry from scratch. So available object class, let's, the init org person is the required one. Then relative DN, let's go for CN, like you can go with anything like employee number and all. Let's say test user 1 already exists, let's go with 2 and to finish it. You can see user got created. Then if you want to add a new attribute, let's say if I want to add employee number, finish it, and you can give anything. Means like this you can give any new attribute value available here. And the same way, if you want to create new group, we'll have new entry, create from scratch. We'll have group of unique names, next, CN, test, group 2, unique member CN equals test user 2. So I have added test user 2 as a unique member and group also created. So this is how we can create a server, new server, build the connection, create a user, create a group, add user to the group. So these are the basic things which we can do in LDAP. Means in the Apache directory studio, you can build a new connection and have your own local LDAP system. So, and how, like, if you want to create a bulk user, if you want to create users through LD file, what you can do is, I means I have added my repo. So in my IAQ SSD under connector folder, I have created a LDAP folder. So this is the root one. Under that, I have connector and LDAP web servers and LDAP connectors. Inside that, I have LDAP LD files. So I have add users to group. So if you want to add users to group, you can do this. Like you can have multiple things like this. Add the group DN, then the member. So group will users will be added to the group. Then if you want to create a new LDAP group, uh, you have to provide DN, then the CN, whatever the CN you are providing it here. Then create new OU. The same thing. If you want to create a new OU, give the OU name here and top and the below. Rest of the things remain same. Then move OU means if you want to move means the object from one OU to another OU, you can use this LDAP file. Means I have four LDAP files which you can use it for LDAP operations like add users, create group, create OU, and move OUs. So, like most of the LD operation, like you can do it through code like Java or Python or PowerShell as well, or you can use the LD file. So, how you can use is either from the server import, we can do LD import, or like again, we can do from here as well or here as well. Wherever you want to push, you can do that. So this is about LDAP server creation and basic operation which you can perform within Apache directory. The same connection details, like if you want to build or if you want to onboard this application into IIQ, you can use the same thing. Uh, the admin account, you have to get it from here. Admin account, you can reset the password, uh, providing new password and all. And the OU means the connect, how you can build the connectivity. I have made a separate video how to onboard LDAP application and all, but the account details is the same thing, like it's admin, and the password, you can reset your password. You can use this connection as well. Thanks for watching.